Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sanjay Takte, Head of the Chemistry Department, Agasti Arts, Commerce and Dada Saheb Rupote Science College, Akole, Taluka Akole, District Ahmednagar. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you in the class of TYBSc Chemistry. We all know that at present our nation is passing through a great threat of coronavirus pandemic. Hope you are doing well and all your family members are safe and sound. Pray that we all emerge out of the current situation strongly with good health. Friends, because of COVID 19, since 17th March 2020, there is a lockdown in Maharashtra, and from 1st September, fourth lockdown is also started in Maharashtra. For colleges, it is not possible to conduct classes of the student in the college. So college authority has decided to conduct online classes for the benefit of the student. This is a part of online teaching. So we are going to consider the TY-based chemistry syllabus. So here first of all, let us consider the preamble of the course. For the TY-BSc, there are 6 theory and 3 practical courses. So total there are 9 courses. Each theory course of 48 lectures. 4 lecture per course per week should be conducted in every semester. So here 5 papers out of 6, 5 papers are compulsory and there is one theory paper, it is optional, that is a CH 336 and CH 346. Only one option should be taught and the same course should be implemented for the next semester. There are 2 semester third and semester fourth. So here for both the semester there is a optional course. So each paper will carry 50 marks. Out of 50, here the 10 marks will be allotted for the internal assessment and the 40 marks are allotted for the university examination. So 40 plus 10 total 50 marks. So 10 mark internal and 40 mark external. So the practical examination of 6 hours for each practical course will be conducted at the end of semester 4th. So here each practical course will carry 100 marks, out of which 20 marks will be allotted for internal assessment and university examination will be conducted for 80 marks. That is a distribution of 100 mark is 20 plus 80, 20 internal mark and 80 external mark. So here the final exam of the semester, it will be conducted at the end of the semester, but the final examination of the practical course, it will be conducted at the end of the 4th semester. So here the marks for the internal assessment for practical course will be allotted as follows. So here there are 20 internal marks. So distribution of the 20 marks. So 10 marks for completed and certified journal. And here the 10 marks for the oral examination and the internal test. So this is the distribution of the 20 marks of the practical course. So here internal assessment of the theory courses will be done on the basis of performance of the student in the test. Minimum 2 tests will be conducted for each course in every semester. So for the 3rd semester there will be 2 tests and for the 4th semester there will be the 2 tests. So here friends, this is the preamble of the TY-BSc chemistry course. So here semester 3rd, then course code and the title, number of lecture and the marks. So here there are 5 compulsory theory papers. First one is the physical chemistry. So here the total number of lecture 48 for each course and the total marks 50 marks. So second paper is the inorganic chemistry, third one is the organic chemistry, fourth one is the analytical chemistry, and the fifth one is the industrial chemistry. These 5 papers are compulsory, and these are the optional papers: nuclear chemistry, polymer chemistry, introduction to biochemistry and molecular biology, environmental and gain chemistry, agriculture chemistry. These 5 papers are the optional paper in our college. The optional course is the nuclear chemistry for the both semester, that is for third semester as well as the fourth semester. The same pattern for the semester fourth, again 5 paper compulsory and 1 optional course, that is the nuclear chemistry. Then here practical courses, there are 3 practicals. The first paper is the physical chemistry practical, second one is the inorganic chemistry, and third one is the organic chemistry, and the total marks are 100, and the distribution of the 100 marks is 20 plus 80, 20 marks internal and 80 marks external. So here this is the pattern of the TY BSc. So here this is the allotment of the mark. As I explained earlier, the distribution of the internal marks for the practical as well as for the theory. So here I am going to teach you the physical chemistry. My subject is physical chemistry. So here let us consider the syllabus of the physical chemistry. The course code is CH 331. For the semester third in physical chemistry, totally there are 4 chapters. The first one is the chemical kinetics, and the total number of lectures are 10. Second one is electrolytic conductance, and total lectures are 14. Investigation of molecular structure, here 16 lecture, and the last 4th chapter is the phase rule. Total number of lectures are 8. So to the total lecture for the 4th chapter, that is a 48. So here this is the syllabus of the chemical kinetics. Then this is the electrolytic conductance, investigation of molecular structure, and the phase rule. This is the syllabus of the semester third. Here friends, this syllabus is also available on the University of Pune website. So these are the aims and objective of the each chapter. So chemical kinetics, aims and objective. After studying the topic, students are expected to know. So here these are the various objective of the chemical kinetics. Similar way, the objective of the electrolytic conductance, then investigation of molecular structure, then phase rule. So these are the objective of the 4th chapter for the semester third. So here these are the reference book. The first reference book, Principle of Physical Chemistry, 4th edition, S.H. Maron and C.F. Proton. Essential of the Physical Chemistry, B.S. Bal, G.D. Tully and Arun Bal, edition 2000, S. Chand Company. Essential of Physical Chemistry, Bal Tully Revised, Multicolor edition 2009. So here these all reference books are available in our library. So this is the syllabus of the semester third. So here semester fourth, the pattern is same. Again here there are 4 chapters. So first one is the electrochemical cell, second one is the nuclear chemistry, third one is the crystal structure, fourth one is the quantum chemistry. Again there are 4 chapters, and here the total weightage is 48. So here this is the syllabus of electrochemical cell, then syllabus of nuclear chemistry, then syllabus of crystal structure, then quantum chemistry. So these are the 4 chapters. Again here there are objective, aims and objective of the each chapter. So these are the objective of the electrochemical cell. So here after studying the topic, students are expected to know the following things. So here next one is the nuclear chemistry. These are the objective of the nuclear chemistry. Third chapter is the crystal structure. Fourth one is the quantum chemistry, and these are the objective of the quantum chemistry. So again these are the reference books for the semester fourth. Then physical chemistry practical. So here there are 2 groups for the practical. Group A and the group B. So group A, it consider non-instrumental experiment only, and group B, it contain the instrumental experiment only. So here in the group A, the first topic is the chemical kinetics. So here there are 5 experiments of the chemical kinetics are given. Then not 5, 7 experiments of chemical kinetics are given. Out of 7, we are going to conduct any 5 experiment in our chemistry laboratory. Then second experiment is the viscosity, to determine the molecular weight of high polymer by using the solution of different concentration. Third one is the adsorption. Fourth one is the phenol water system. Fifth one is the transport number, and the last one, that is the refractometry. Here totally 3 experiments are given. We are going to conduct out of this 2 experiment in our laboratory. So these are the non-instrumental experiment. Let us consider the instrumental experiment. The first one is the colorimetry. So here the 4 experiments are given. We are going to conduct 2 experiments in our laboratory. Then next one is the potentiometry. So here for the potentiometry, 4 experiments are given. So here we have to conduct any 3 experiments out of 4 in our laboratory. Then next instrument is the pHmetry or pH meter. Again the 4 experiments are given. We have to conduct only 2 experiments. The fourth one is the radioactivity. 3 experiments are given. We have to conduct only 1. And the last one is the conductometry. Again here in the conductometry, 3 experiments are given and we have to conduct the 2 experiments of the conductometry. So here for practical, group A, it contain non-instrumental, and group B, it contain the instrumental. So here this is the syllabus of physical chemistry for semester 3rd as well as the semester 4th. Friends, once again I would like to repeat, the final exam of the semester 3rd, it will be conducted at the end of the semester 3rd, and final exam of the semester 4th for the theory paper, it will be conducted at the end of the semester 4th. So here for the theory courses there is a semester pattern, but for the practical course there is a annual pattern. That means the practical examination will be conducted at the end of the 4th semester. So friends, we have considered the syllabus as well as the preambles of the physical chemistry. In the next lecture, we are going to conduct, or we are going to consider the chapter number 1, that is the chemical kinetics. Thank you.